Welcome to Abdali Grammar School YouTube channel. Our today's topic is heat and light. Life on Earth depends upon heat and light. Energy is the ability to do work. Energy can cause matter to move or change its state. There are many forms of energy. Heat is energy that makes things warmer. Light is energy that let us see. Sound is energy we can hear. Heat is energy. Light is also energy. Sun is the biggest source of energy. It gives us light and heat. The sun warms the body of the animal. Plants use sunlight to make food. Other sources of heat and light: light bulb, burning wood, coal, stars. The burning coal gives off orange light. Its heat cooks the meat. The flame of a candle lets us see in the dark room. The heat from the flame melts the wax. Thanks for joining us in this educational journey. We will see you in the next video.